We're gonna make the brine for the turkey. Can you say turkey? Can you say gobble gobble? Can you wave at the camera? Until the salt dissolves, okay? Oh, I want to do that if I were you. Can you pour this in the pan? What? You wobble. Come on, pour that in. I'll do mine on this side. Now we're gonna get 1 cup of sea salt. So pour this in here. Okay, good. Now pour that in there. All done. Now this is my turkey blend. It has rosemary, savory, sage, and thyme. Smell. Smell. Good. You want 4 tablespoons of this. Ready? Pour it in. 1, 2. Can you say 2? 3. Last one. 4. Yeah, we put 4 in there. All done. Good job. Can I have that? Thank you. Now, stir. Okay, now we have to boil it. We're gonna boil it until the salt dissolves, okay? Oh, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Heavy.
It's heavy. Yes, it's heavy. Can I do it? Okay.
Heavy, Mama. Heavy.
What do you see in there?
Yeah, cookie.
Turkey.
Yeah, that's it.
You want to get the turkey out? Rub it.
No, Mama.
The turkey neck. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Good.
Is mommy mean?
Yeah.
What do you see in there? Do you see bones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the backbone.
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 Cool. in there. Shove it in there. Child, where are you going? Do you want to go upstairs? Okay. Goodbye. I love you. Okay, now we're gonna pat it, okay? Do you want to pat it? No? Are you just gonna delegate? Yeah? Okay. Do you know why we pat it? So we could get crispy skin. Crispy skin! What is this? What is this? Turkey. Turkey. And what does the turkey say? Gobble, You're silly. Hey, put the butter in there. Take this. Smush the butter, okay? You have to push hard. You do that. And Mommy will grind the seasoning. Pepper. Ready? Don't tell Daddy we used his pepper, okay? Shh, it's a secret. He's here.
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold. Thank you. Thank you. Ready? Squish. Good job. Squish. Squish. And now squish again. What does the turkey say? Bleh. Do you want to try? What? Is it gross?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this might be a little gross. Take some butter. We're gonna rub it inside, okay? Put it inside. Go girl. Let me wash my hands and then I'll wash your hands, okay? Look!
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Hi, Grandma!
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Hi, Liver.
Look at our turkey!
Your mommy make turkey? Oh, it's beautiful. Want to see mine?
Yeah, look at Grandma's turkey.
I'm going.
Hurry!
Smoking mine.
You're smoking yours?
Mhm.
Oh no! Do you see Grandma? Yeah.
Yep. Are you ready? Here it is.
Do you see that, River?
What do you think of that turkey?
Bye.
Happy gobble, gobble.
Say love you.
I love you lots. Go tell your daddy. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Do you want to try it? It's hot, huh? It's a lot hotter than I expected.
River.
Let me give you a piece. Go. Be careful. Do you want some turkey? Okay. Cut into smaller pieces for you, okay? Go. Stuffing? You okay? Okay, baby. Here's your dinner. Ready?